Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are well. I am doing fine, but I have a little bit of flu. Anyway, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, welcome, and please, I hope you will stay. I am going camping this weekend, and as you can see, my hair is still a mess and I have a few things that I still need to pick up. I have about an hour or two for me to do all these things, and I'm also hoping that I can squeeze going to the salon into the mixture of all this. And yeah, wish me luck, because there's no way I'm going camping with this hair because it's gonna be a mess. I don't want to be combing my hair every day and it's just gonna be an inconvenience. And because I love you guys so much, I am taking you guys with me, so come along and enjoy the ride. So now I'm just going to grab a few snacks, and I'm just gonna make sure that I don't buy a lot, because I have a tendency of just buying a lot of things that we don't end up eating. So I'm just gonna buy just a few snacks and I hope there will be enough. So come along. And oh, just to add, yes, we are going camping in this cold. Wish me luck, because I'm a vendor hand. I just finished running errands and now I have to take the car to the car wash. If I'm taking the car to the car wash, how am I going to get to the salon? Now I am back home. I managed to run all the errands that I had on my list, but I am so tired. I even took a text today, so because I had no choice. Either way, this is my hairstyle. It's not so bad. I used a different hairstylist because the one that I'm used to, she was busy doing another client, and as I said, I didn't have time to wait for her. So I was like, you know what, as long as I can get my hair done, and that's it. Not so bad, but look at my forehead. Look at my forehead. Forehead glitter up. Anyway, they said if she has a forehead, do what? Marry her, wife her. But we're not all about that. So let me go get ready for the camp, pack. Yeah, I haven't packed. I know, it's crazy, but I think I have about 30 minutes. Will that be enough? I don't know. But at least my hair is done. I look tidy, I look clean. So let's go. Packing done, and now we are on our way to the camping site. And yes, that's a heater, because what, I don't want to freeze. So come along with me. I think it's about 2 or 3 hours from Joburg. Okay, I think I'm lying, maybe 2 hours. So ciao, let's go. When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you know that already. When I found you on the ground, you were dying. Now you come into my heart uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, but what did you be clear, yeah? Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Got me. And we have arrived.
Where's your job? Now this is the whole thing. It makes sense why you want to.
Next time you must be able to afford.
Yeah, no.
This
Yeah,
one
no.
wants to be a fine for what season
This one is perfect. This one is beautiful.
Morning guys, it's the following morning and I just woke up. I'm probably just gonna go grab a cup of coffee and we're gonna go hiking. I don't know if I'm looking forward to it or not, because as you can see the sun is already out, so it's gonna be a very hectic hike, but it's also a little bit cold, so let's see, maybe the sun and the cold will balance each other out. But yeah, I'll just show you guys around the camp because there's quite a few people here. It looks very nice. Then earlier on I saw a sunrise, but I was so lazy to go and take the video, but I'll try to take one tomorrow. So
would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, but I want you to be glad, yes. Tell me now, I need you to be glad, yeah.
A word I know, time you for long enough, damn, I need you right now. You can take your time, don't have to rush, this might take us a while, yeah. I left all the doors unlocked and you said you're on your way. When you get here, don't you say a word, I know, time to play. I know you think that you know me, but you ain't even seen my dark side. It's reserved for you only, so baby do it right, do me right. We can go over time, we can move fast, then rewind. When you put your body on mine and collide, collide. It could be one of those nights where we don't turn off the lights. Wanna see you body.
now we're just gonna go for a hike, and of course I'm gonna take you guys with me. It's very hot, but at least I got some sunscreen.
Baby, it's all yours if you want me. All yours if you want me. Put it down if you want me tonight. Said it's all yours if you want me. All yours if you want me. Put it down if you want me. Let's collide.
Waking up, she on it. Good love in the morning. Get on top, my cojones. I pleasure you for the moment. This don't come with no warranty. You want it but can't afford it. My world is different than yours.
Now this part of the hike is starting to feel very scary.
In all these formats, back to future and DeLorean. You ain't used to feeling this important. Cars imported, girls imported, insubordinate, get deported. Baby, check my inventory. Got a whole lot in store for you. Birkin bags, purple tags. I can put a whole lot of shit on blast. Vera Wang, Balenciaga. Baby, you ain't never too fly for that. I talk a lot of shit. Cause I can back it up. She know I'm the shit. So baby, back it up.
No one has nje. No one has. The hike is now complete. I'm so tired, but it was not bad. So now all I need is cocktails, and it was not too steep, and that's a win.
Lights. Wanna see your body on mine and collide, collide. Baby, it's all yours if you want me. All yours if you want me. Put it down if you want me tonight. Said it's all yours if you want me. All yours if you want me. Put it down if you want me. Let's collide. I know that this is love where we touch, boy. You got my heart, and can't nobody make me feel like you do, boy, like you do.
day is the following morning. I think the second night was so much better. I was able to sleep nicer. I don't know, there's something about the first night, because the first night at a new place, you just feel anxious. Although you sleep well, but you get anxious and you toss a lot. So last night I slept very well, and although it was a little bit warmer than the first night was cold. I'm just gonna have breakfast, have coffee as always, pack up and head home. I have quite a few things to do when we get home. I need to put my Sunday lunch, but I would rate this camping experience at 10 out of 10. It was very, very nice. I enjoyed it, and we had very good company as well. So it was a wonderful weekend, and thank you guys for coming along with me. I'll try to take videos while we're driving back to Joburg, because when we came here it was during the night. I couldn't take a lot of videos, so when we go back I will try to take as much videos as I can. And thank you so much for joining me, you guys. And if you haven't tried camping, this is your sign to go on that camping trip. It's really not that difficult, or it's really not as complicated as it seems. And yeah, bye bye.
If you want me, put it down if you want me, let's collide.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it big deal? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were dying. Now you come into my
Whew. I'm so scared of heights, but here I am.
uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, but what did you be clear, yeah? Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you.
We have arrived, guys, and I am so tired. I'm sure you can even see by my eyes that okay, I'm not tired, I'm just sleepy. Thank you for joining me on this trip, and I'll see you on my next vlog, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.